Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our DreamView channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 215L Direct Cool Single Door 3-star refrigerator. First I will tell you about the features. The key features are capacity 215 liters, compressor type, digital inverter compressor, performance 3-star for energy saving up to 35%, defrosting type, direct cool which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. In addition to that, we get base stand with dryer for storing items that doesn't need cooling like onion, potato, etc. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual, warranty card. Type single door, refrigerator type, top freezer. Warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 16,590 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.